Welcome from Thailand. So we've been here actually already a week.
Yes, because we are now in Chiang Mai. We arrived about a week ago in Bangkok,
Yeah.
of course. We arrived quite late. And for the first time, what we usually don't experience was
No.
quite some heavy jet lag.
Man,
And we never have
worst.
that, really. But this time around, we could really feel it. So we were super sleepy the whole day. At night, we really couldn't fall asleep at all.
Actually, 2 nights we didn't sleep. I barely slept actually.
So that's like quite new for us because
Yeah.
I think we are good to adapt usually to these things. Anyway, so then the next day we actually
We wanted to take it slow from the beginning anyways, but
we didn't want to make the same mistake like in Sri Lanka where we right away headed out the very next day. So this time we wanted to take it a little bit slower. So we were discovering the neighborhood a little bit. We
Yeah.
went to a Chinese street.
because we were staying in Chinatown,
Yeah.
we chose to be there to be close to food in the Mankon hostel, which is in a quiet alley actually, but close to many food places.
Indeed. So we went that day to the Chinese street, which is like by a cute canal, and you have so many food options there for such nice prices. You have teas, drinks, juices, everything.
Yeah, it's called the Ong Ang Walking Street, and be aware that it's actually only the way it fully comes to life is in the weekend.
So we really thought that street was super cute, and
Totally. The moment we arrived, I really had a little bit of a wow moment. How cute it looked with all the little lights, lanterns, because it had this Chinese atmosphere
Yeah.
still from lunar.
it was very pretty done actually.
Yeah. And so indeed it's by along Klong River, the Ong Ang River, I believe it's called. And it's filled with little street food stalls, also restaurants that are always there, mainly Indian.
But mainly the Indian ones, but the other ones we really only saw Saturday, Sunday, maybe Friday, but on the weekend definitely.
And we were a bit overwhelmed first with all the things they had. And then in the end, we first ate the ones you loved, the pork sticks with the peanut sauce.
Right, those were super good.
Were so good. And then we also tried out I think it was a pad thai. Yes, then we tried out the pad thai.
After that, we still decided there's like some time, so we went to the bridge, which is like a little park in between 2 lanes, and you can really see you have a very good view on the skyline of Bangkok from both sides.
It's called the Khao Phraya River Park, I believe it is. My pronunciation, please forgive me. Yeah, we really suggest you combine it with the Ong Ang Walking Street because it's super close anyways.
And you have a lot of locals who go there just to chill out or to eat something on the bridge, and it's super cute and refreshing in the evening.
Yeah. We actually also took some snacks. We took those coconut pancake kind of things from the market.
Yeah, we did.
So we just sat there and enjoyed the view of the beautiful skyline.
So the actual reason why we only post now from Chiang Mai is that we really didn't feel good the very first days. So on the second or third day, I started to feel sick, and I couldn't enjoy it as much anymore. I got like a little bit of a fever. Yeah, I changed our itinerary quite a bit because it was unexpected. But that's how it works, right? So you never know when these things hit you. So it was also for us unexpected, like right from the second day, to feel this way. But now we're feeling good again, and we hopefully can enjoy now to the fullest again.
So the first temple on the agenda that we did in Bangkok was the Wat Benchamobophit. I think I said that correctly. It's quite a mouthful. It's super beautiful. It's also called the Marble Temple. It's a little bit more outside the tourist center, so not everybody goes there who has a short itinerary in Bangkok, but it's really beautiful though. So we can really recommend it. The surroundings are really pretty with some like little bridges and little pavilions, and the temple itself is just breathtaking, the architecture.
Just a little bit outside of the actual area, so you have to take a tuk-tuk or a grab there.
You can actually easily combine it with two other temples on your way back to the city center.
Right, with the bus it's actually quite a nice way to do, because we took the bus there to the first temple, and the initial plan was then with the bus to just go a few stations and then visit the other two ones, which are better known actually. Yeah,
from there you can actually then indeed go to the Wat Saket, which is the Golden Mount, which I always wanted to see because
I really like that one.
Yeah, it was so fun. You have to do like around 377 steps or something to get to the top. It's not much.
You don't even count them.
You don't need any physique, it's okay. But they made it really nice on the way to the top. It was like this luscious green jungle vibes with little man-made waterfalls and statues. So really mystical. And to the way to the top there is the golden little pagoda that you go, and it has a nice view over the old town.
Yeah, it does.
It was a really nice experience. So, and then on the grounds are a bit more things to see, so definitely make sure you check those out as well.
Indeed, you have like a Bodhi tree, a few more statues, and more like these jungle vibe areas, which are also quite nice to look at.
And on our way down, we came indeed by this beautiful tree that was filled with these golden leaves, right?
Yeah.
That people could hang on it and put something on, which we also did.
Of course.
So we put our name on one of the papers, you leave a little donation, and then you can leave it hanging there. It was super pretty. Together with the Wat Saket, you can also combine the Loha Prasat, which is on the other side of the street. You can go to the top actually, from where you have a little view as well. Actually, from there you can see the Wat Saket really.
Oh yeah, indeed. You had a good shot on that one.
Yeah, indeed. We saw a few temple cats, which we always love. But that was it a bit. On the way out we actually got hungry and we stopped by a place, I'll leave the name below, for some famous pad thai, right?
I had a pad thai, which is quite a famous place apparently from all the Google reviews. The thing is, you have to wait quite a while. Like there's always a line, so people only take away, and I think we almost had to wait half an hour for our food. But it was like cutely packaged. There was everything in there. It was a huge portion, and to make sure you have everything that you need for your pad thai, and they wrap it well. The drink was amazing with like a coconut kind of frappe, like iced drink, which was amazing.
It was super nice.
So the food was delicious. We ate it in the park.
Yeah, nearby. So that's a tip. So if you're hungry after those temples, just pick up some food there, and there is a park nearby.
5 minutes away. So that's what we did in the end. That looks good.
Thank God, sticks. Otherwise we had to go back. Yelp. Some chili flakes. If you want it spicy. Here you go.
Let's add some spice to it. Not too much though. You want some too? You want to try it first, huh?
Yeah, I'm gonna try it first. Put some garnish in it. It's also so way different than what you get in Europe.
How is it?
It's super nice. I haven't tasted the shrimp yet, but yeah, really nice. Never had it like this before. Look, also the color. In Europe, it's always like glass noodles more. I don't know what this is. It looks orangey. Super yummy.